My name is Joana Quintero. I am 30 years old and I live in Melgar, Tolima. Part 1. Just relax. Part 2. Don't translate. Part 3. Use context to help you understand. Part 4. Practice with different situations and voices. Part 5. Make a study plan. There are 2 rules. Rule 1. Do something every day. Rule 2. Do something different every day. Situation. First, you are listening to an English teacher speak British English, speaking slowly and clearly. That would be easy. Next, you are listening to a native English speak from Scotland, who speak with a Scottish accent and also uses a lot of complicated words. I think that would be difficult. In the minute 31, the other language was Portuguese. 3 are 2 rules in the part 5. Rule 1. Do something every day. Rule 2. Do something different every day. The lesson plan day proposed are: Monday. Listen to 1 or 2 songs 2 or 3 times each. Tuesday. Listen to a podcast with American voices. Wednesday. Watch the 15 minutes of the TV show from the weekend. Thursday. Do a listened exercise from a textbook. Friday. Watch 15 minutes of a news show. Saturday. Watch 15 minutes of an old movie. Sunday. Call a friend and spend 15 minutes speaking English. The plan that I propose is: Monday. Listen romantic ballads 2 or 3 times. Tuesday. Listen to a podcast from BCB. Wednesday. Watch 15 minutes the extra TV show. Thursday. Listen pop music. Friday. Watch 15 minutes of drama series. Saturday. Watch 15 minutes of an old movie. Sunday. Talk with my sons in English every day. Sunday. Talk with my sons in English every day. To keep my plan, I need to print it and put reminders on my cell phone. I can find all the material on YouTube. Thank you.